A shortage of granular urea in South India has triggered concerns among the tea growers, who fear the beverage's output could be impacted if the scarcity persists in the season ahead. Also, a sharp increase in prices of muriate of potash has added to their concern. While efforts are being made to encourage the use of nano urea, growers said the efficacy of the nutrient is yet to be fully established in the case of tea. There's some scarcity on the availability of urea, and it is a concern. If the scarcity continues in the weeks ahead, it will impact the tea crop, an industry source said. Urea is applied in multiple rounds in tea gardens, and growers are set to take up the application of the nutrient from March onwards depending on the pre-monsoon shower. Kerala Agriculture Department officials maintain that the state has supplied required quantities of urea, MOP, DAP, and complex fertilizer. However, Y.C. Stephen, state president of the Small Tea Growers Association, Kattapana, countered the claims of the state government officials, saying small tea growers are facing acute shortage of fertilizers such as urea and potash. Out of the 20,000 small-time growers in Idukki, Stephen said only less than 1% received the required quantities of fertilizers by the beginning of 2022. Besides the urea scarcity, rising prices of MOP is also hitting small and medium growers hard, he said. MOP prices have almost doubled to 34,000 Indian rupees a tonne. A senior official in a leading tea manufacturing company in Kerala said the shortage of urea and doubling of MOP prices will make manure application unaffordable, which will, in turn, affect production going forward. Nano urea has only been recommended by scientists only for foliar application as of now and not for soil application. So, nano urea for the time being cannot replace urea, the official said. IFFCO sources said the nano urea is a substitute for the conventional urea application. Therefore, wherever urea can substitute nano urea, although the replacement percentage will vary as it depends on different soil and crop factors, they said. Tea is a long-duration plantation crop, and conventional urea is applied 4 to 5 times at different pruning stages and unpruned stages. Based on farmer field/growers experience, 25 to 50% replacement of conventional urea with nano urea is possible. Tea estates at their level have also conducted encouraging trials, and also purchased nano urea. Long-term scientific trials with Efficacy Tra Taklai, Guwahati, are in process for gaining growers' confidence, IFFCO sources said. N. Lakshmanan, a senior planter from Kunnur, said nano urea is not a complete alternative for granular urea as far as perennial crops such as tea are concerned. Granular urea is a must for certain root activity in tea. Theanine is a compound that's responsible for catechins in tea, which gives the flavonoids in tea, is produced in the root zone. If theanine is not produced in the root zone, the flavonoid catechin will start dwindling. Catechin is one of the most sought-after components for the wellness industry. By spraying nano urea, will a reverse engineering takes place, say from the foliar zone will the nano urea trickle to the root zone to produce this compound? This has to be studied. Unless and until a detailed long-term study is done, we cannot afford to completely forget granular urea, Lakshmanan said. In the Nilgiris, the allocation of urea been reduced by around 20% this year with a view to replace it with natural and organic manures for making the Nilgiris district an organic district, said H. N. Sivan, member of the Nilgiris District Integrated Small Tea Farmers Committee. Total intake of urea in Nilgiris is about 1,400 tons per year. The scarcity of urea is unlikely to have any impact on the output as small farmers apply it in very less quantity, he said. Moreover, urea is being replaced with natural manure, Sivan added.